Hello, my name is Kiona Peterson, and today I will be presenting my instructional design project. Article summary. So, for this project, I read three different articles. The first one is called Instructional Design Principles and Applications by Leslie J. Briggs. This article discussed the methods, effectiveness, and the meaning behind instructional design. Briggs carefully unpacks the steps educators must take to appropriately measure a student knowledge. She also discusses the design principles that can be applicable to any kind of setting. Instructional Design Theories and Models, an overview of their current status by Charles M. Regluth was the second article that I read. This article discussed the basic definition of the instructional design and how educators must successfully approach it. Regluth dives deep in the development, implementation, and management of instructional design. The third article I read was Instructional Design and Emerging Teaching Models in Higher Education by Jorma Enkenberg. Enkenberg used his article to discuss the development and effect to instructional design in higher education, which gave a great outlook on the final results of intentional implementation in instructional design project. The target audience for my design project are educators and support staff in a school to utilize the Seesaw app. Educators and support staff will be a part of the project to use a multimedia educational app to understand how we can better support our students. Research findings. Each article helped me better understand the tools in instructional design that I could utilize for any target audience. This specific design project included target audience that are adults, which with plenty of technological background knowledge. The research, instructional design, and development of this design would have been very different with a K through 12 setting. Research findings continued. I learned how cognitive research on learning with special emphasis to develop a universal learning and instruction. When the instructional design is developed, it's important to assess and understand how we can implement and accommodate to approach all learners equally. Educators can increase effectiveness, efficiency, and relevance of the instruction by providing a clear target on what we want the results to be. The relevance helps us understand the relevance of instruction and how it addresses what students should be learning. The information that I learned here definitely transformed the information that I used for my design project for my target audience being adults into using the same kind of style for K through 12 setting. Overall, this research helped me understand how I can better assist my target audience. It also made me have a better outlook on how and what I should be teaching and how I should assess the relevancy of the information that I provide for my audience. The research was successful, and I will continue to implement intentional instruction in my classroom as I prepare my target audience for success. I would also like to add that the goal for any lesson, assignment, or design project is to always have the best results, meaning students are learning. Instructional design provides those effective skills for educators to do so. The articles assisted me with understanding and guiding me to use better tools, approach, and skills in different settings. This was my project. I hope it was full of knowledge. I hope you understood what I was able to understand and how these three articles helped me in my design project. Thank you.